We are live at Homestead Bayfront Park and Marina, and many people are asking why they can't get in. We are jam-packed everywhere you see. We have boats and trailers, and this just to show you that if there's a will, there is a way. You got Toyota Corolla, and like I said, just a wave of boats and cars. Grass, parking, you name it. As far as you can see. Just another beautiful day at Homestead Bayfront Park and Marina. And we are jam-packed. Beach, atoll, boat ramp, you name it. Just packed. No parking spots available.